How to have a successful pre-sale clean. Thinking of putting your home on the market? Before the for sale sign goes up, there's one powerful step that can make all the difference. A successful pre-sale clean. Not just a quick tidy up, but a strategic, high-impact clean that helps your property look, feel, and smell like someone's dream home. Because first impressions, they're everything. Let's break down how to approach your pre-sale clean, what areas to focus on, and why it could be the best return on investment you make during your entire selling process. Step 1. Understand the power of a deep clean. A buyer walks in and instantly senses it. That fresh, cared for, move-in ready feeling. This is where a deep clean shines. It's not about surface sparkle, it's about trust. A spotless home tells potential buyers, this house has been loved. It's been looked after. You won't inherit someone else's mess. Think of it as a silent signal of value and peace of mind. Step 2. Know what buyers look for. Buyers notice what most homeowners forget. Grimy grout, dusty vents, fingerprints on light switches, mould in showers, lime scale on taps, scuff marks on doors, pet hair in corners. These tiny details might not bother you after years of living there, but they scream work to do to a buyer. That mental list of cleaning jobs, it shrinks your home's appeal. And your final sale price. Step 3. Prioritise the high-impact areas. Here's where to focus your time and energy, or your professional cleaners. Bathrooms, sparkling tiles, no mould, fresh-smelling drains, polished mirrors. No one wants to inherit someone else's bathroom grime. Kitchen, degreased surfaces, crumb-free drawers, shining sinks, and an odour-free fridge. The kitchen is where deals are made or lost. Walls and doors. Wipe away fingerprints, scuffs, and mystery marks. A magic eraser and some elbow grease can restore years in minutes. Windows. Clean glass floods rooms with natural light and makes every photo pop. Floors. Steam clean carpets, polish floorboards, and banish pet hair. Outdoors. Don't forget entryways, cobwebs, bins, and balconies. First impressions start at the door. Step 4. Think like a buyer, not a seller. Here's a mindset shift. You're not cleaning your home. You're preparing their future home. Walk through your property with fresh eyes. What would you notice if you were buying? Ask a friend for honest feedback, or better yet, take a quick video walkthrough. You'll see flaws the camera catches that your eyes miss. Step 5. DIY versus professional cleaning. Yes, you can do it all yourself, but should you? A professional pre-sale clean doesn't just save you time. It gets better results, faster. And it frees you up to focus on the million other things on your pre-sale to-do list. Most importantly, it removes the stress of wondering if your home is clean enough. And when your property hits the market, that confidence, it shows. Final thought. The clean that sells. In real estate, presentation equals profit. A successful pre-sale clean helps you attract more buyers, create emotional connection, and maximize your sale price. So whether you're scrubbing grout yourself or hiring a professional team, clean like it counts, because it does.